New paint, new carpet, new fixtures, outlets, light switches, doorknobs, countertops, cabinets, sinks, paint, flooring, updated bathroom, toilets. Same thing in here. Side by side up here for days. The carpet. Brand new HVAC. Brand new, doesn't have 10 hours on it. Half bath updated. Countertop sink. Fixtures, toilet. New door. All brand new brand new appliances. New countertop sinks. Paint. Don't have 1 hour on these appliances. Brand new. Beautiful, nice textured wall. New flooring, new vents. Cabinets. Light fixtures. Very clean condo.